Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Gearelec GX10 Bluetooth wireless motorcycle helmet, wireless intercom, and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might want to do this hard reset if you're having any kind of issues like the intercom will not connect to Bluetooth, or it keeps disconnecting, or it's not syncing, or if you're having any kind of issues where it's not working and you need to troubleshoot it. This is a good step. Now just keep in mind when you do this, you will need to repair this thing with whatever device you're trying to use it on, your phone or whatever. But if you want to do that, all you need to do is come in and you're going to find the Bluetooth button as indicated here. The mute button, the M button is here, and then the multifunction. And you're going to press and hold those three buttons simultaneously for about 5 seconds. And what will happen is after those 5 seconds, the lights, red and blue lights, will come on and stay on for about 2 seconds. That means that the reset has been completed. It has been reset to its factory default settings, and you can go ahead and turn it back on and set it up as a new device.